Hey there, if you've got back issues, I had an L4 herniation, had to have a discectomy, L5 herniation still, sciatica. This is my morning routine, and then sometimes 2 and 3 times per day. It's also a great time to pray, to connect with God, get back in the I am. And here I am with a device that a lot of people overlook. This is neck traction. Make sure that you look up the directions. Look at my cauliflower ear. You can tell it on the side. Can't tell it from the front too bad, but you can on the side. But anyway, I'm using neck traction there. It's an inexpensive device. This puts the curvature back in your neck. This has changed my back health by doing this religiously, and I will spend time in prayer. I'll say the Lord's Prayer 3 times really slow, and then I know I've spent about a minute or a little more than a minute doing the neck traction. If you sit at a desk a lot, helps big time. You got to take care of that upper spine as well. Then I go and I do the same thing hanging upside down, but I'll say the Lord's Prayer just to time things. I could get a timer if I wanted, but I try to just get things off my mind and enjoy my teeter hang up here. So I'm hanging upside down, decompressing the spine. Make sure you get your doctor's approval before you try any of this stuff. And I'm looking at my little Jesus there. I don't give that any power, but it just helps me get mindful and get focused on the I am that's inside of me. Clears the thoughts, gives me space between two thoughts so I can find some peace. I love doing this, and I'm decompressing my spine. You can also do some crunches when you get in better shape from here. Really helps with the lower abdominals. And yeah, just invest in your health. This is fantastic for back health, assuming your doctor prescribes it for you to do. You're just getting some space between those discs because we're sitting all day, we're standing. That gentle decompression. I went kind of hard there. You might not want to go the full Monty like that. I've gotten really used to it, and you don't have to go all in like that. Then I get my foam roller out. I'll also get my stretch a minute out, but I just wanted to show you these. I've showed you a lot of stretch a minute stuff through the years to help with your back health. It just has saved my back. I was going to have back fusion. You know, when you're hurting, when your temple's hurting, it is really hard to focus on your diet and nutrition because you're hurting all the time and you're looking for an escape. You're really not hurting. Pain is one thing, suffering is another. Pain we can deal with, but it's the mental suffering related to the pain that will drive us up the wall. So here I'm just using my foam roller, gentle rolling. I probably went a little fast here for the video. I like to do it slower. If I find a painful area, which I always do in the beginning of the roll, then I'll just let it sit there for a minute until I feel the release of that knot. It can be painful, but when all the pain is gone, I know I've rolled those out. And if you're consistent with this, oh man, does it make a big, big difference. So hope this can be of use to you. I know that it will. If I can ever help you, DM me, and I'm happy to do my best to help you. And hey, you know what we say here, superb.